this is Ulla. I'm back with another video in the Ultimaker series. This is the items you're going to need to turn your Ultimaker on and get your first print going. So you see here is the plugging in the back. You take your plug-in. Like we said earlier, it's literally just plug and play. So we want to plug it in. And then your filament holder, you just pop that right in the back. Now you can turn your machine around and turn it on in the back. Next, we're going to go through the menu on the screen to get all your printer preferences set up. Your screen should light up. You got to give it a minute to warm up. And everything will be displayed on the screen, how to get your first print started and going. Woo! So there it goes, it turned on. And you will go to the welcome screen right in the beginning. It says, welcome to your new Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect. And it'll have the little blue button that you just push next. It says register. So you want to register it and get it on warranty. Go to main menu and it says ready to print. But first we need to load your filament. And that is the first icon. And it goes to your materials. Change material, load material, unload material, set material, move material. So all we're going to do is load the material. And it'll give you a step-by-step process on how to load and unload material and everything depending on which setting you chose. So we set load material. This procedure will help you load a spool of material. So it's set to load a spool of PLA, yes. So it says load material. Take your filament, you make sure you have label going in, so you can spool that going up to follow your Bowden tube. So once you got that on, you lift up your feeder lever and you feed your filament through the little hole on the bottom, and you should see your filament come through in the Bowden tube. Up all the way to your print head. Once you get it all the way to your print head, you close that feeder lever, and now that should automatically feed to your printer. Material loaded. Please confirm when material is extruding from the nozzle. So now your material is loading, and now the whole unit is going to cool down. If you want to start a print right away, you can skip the cool down process. Now you return to the main menu and you are ready to print. Shanann for watching our videos. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.